creative, interactive, academic-based training. SMS ICD is revolutionizing the way we teach and learn the basic fundamentals of audio and acoustics. Through interactive animated learning applications, SMS ICD teaches the fundamental concepts of audio systems and the basic properties of acoustics. Designed for both sound engineers and audio industry professionals, SMS ICD provides a time-flexible curriculum designed for individual and group sessions. Built on the Macromedia Flash platform, SMS ICD is compatible with Windows-based computers with future availability on Mac OS X. We invite you now to experience Sound Made Simple ICD.